Good morning from Thailand. It is currently 8 a.m. here, and today has been one of the hardest days to wake up. We literally had 7 alarms on. We didn't wake up at 7 as we were supposed to, so we have to hurry because we have an exciting day today. We are packing our bags and we are leaving for a day in Phuket because we were at this wakeboard park a week ago and we thought it was so fun that we are going back there. So we are taking a bus, a 2-hour bus ride to that wakeboard park. But today is going to be different. The goal is, the mission is today, is to learn a backflip on a wakeboard. Let's go! As usual, we do not have a plan how to get to things because our bus leaves in 20 minutes and we do not know how to get to bus station. Forgot to tell you about this awesome parking space we have. You know, we need this big space because we have so many vehicles. I mean, we got Lambos, we got Ferraris, Aston Martins, you know, so we need a big parking space. But right now, the only one here, because the other ones are out, you know, driving and shredding. So the only one now we got is this thing here. It's pretty sick too, but yeah.
Private bus?
Private bus. Woohoo! We ditched the bus and we are taking a taxi all the way to Phuket. Good job. So this is our crib for the next 2 hours. And we have made it to Phuket Wake Park, finally. So we were here a week ago. And then that was my first time learning to jump on a wakeboard. So today, woo, like that. That's me. But so today's mission is to learn a backflip on that jump right there. But it is 1 p.m. now, and we still haven't had breakfast. So let's eat breakfast first. Yeah. Okay. Got on my gear now. Let's do some test runs. Okay, let's do some test runs first and see how much better we got from last time. Let's try the backflip! It's time for the backflip! That did not go well. Well, that was a fail. Now I have to land it. Okay, let's try this out. Woo! Jacob's gonna try a backflip. Here it comes. Woo! Need some food to refuel for the backflips.
Backflip, baby!
Pizza here. Oh yeah. Yeah, for me. Thank you. Awesome. Lovely. As you can see, it is dark now. We have been here since 1. It is now 8 o'clock. And we can still not land that stupid backflip. But we're not giving up. Let's do this.
Go Torin!
Yeah, woohoo!
Okay, so here's Torin. He got a big bag of tricks. Let's see what he pulls out. Oh, delicious. Just beautiful. So Jacob is now coming. He's going for a backflip. You got this? What the? Okay, so Jacob's gonna compete in the Paralympics in 2 months now. How is this for a good warm-up?
You need to fail to succeed.
Okay, so here's Jacob once again. Whoa, look at that big fish! Look at that big fish! Nah, it's my fault. Okay, look at Jacob.
Come on, Jacob!
Oh, just kidding, it's not Jacob. Jacob was supposed to have this rope, but okay, next person out is Jacob. He has just come out of nothing, but I'm sure he's gonna dominate this sport for decades.
He is gonna own this.
Let's see what he got for us.
Oh!
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful execution.
Marvelous.
Marvelous execution, yes. No, that's Miyake.
That is textbook. I'm just really stoked to just meet Jacob here in the water because I know he's gonna be a huge star in the next few years. You know, so, Jacob, can I just take a little photo? Oh, thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Good luck with the backflip. I'm so stoked. Okay, let's see what Torin got for us today. Yeah, looks. Oh, it's a beautiful backflip. Oh, we forgot the rope though. Okay, Torin, you have been trying for this backflip for, I don't know, 6 hours now. How do you feel about it? You like the backflip?
I'm tired. Do you have any advice, pro man?
Yeah, I actually do like take a cucumber in the nose.
Okay.
Before I go to sleep.
Okay.
Just leave it there for like 6 days or so. Yeah, so you breathe very clearly.
Yeah. Cucumber clear.
Yeah, it's a real nice.
Oh, nice. Okay, let me try that.
Yeah, my grandmother taught me that.
We have now been wakeboarding for 7 hours and we are totally exhausted and still can't land that stupid backflip, but we are not giving up. There is a wake park in Singapore, so we are gonna try again there because we have to land it, me and Jacob.
Let's just take a cab home or what?
Yeah.
See you guys.
See you guys in the next.
Like and subscribe, please.
Please.